It's 4 a.m., and you're on your 5th cup of coffee, or was it your 6th? You're crouched at a table in some dark corner of the library surrounded by 15 open books. Equally as many tabs are open on your laptop, and you still haven't written a word of the paper that's due in 7 hours. Many things can explain how you got to this point, including procrastination, poor organization, and a messy schedule. Very often, however, the problem is a lack of research skills. And it's not your fault. High school does a poor job of teaching you how to do research, and most college classes do little better. It feels like you're expected to figure it out through trial and error. I think we can do better than that, however. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you the step process for researching everything from a 10-page term paper to a final presentation. Not only will you learn how to do better research, you'll also learn how to research more efficiently. What is research? Before we go any further, what is research? At its core, research is an attempt to answer a question. This could be anything from how can we reduce infant mortality rates, to why does salt make food taste good? To answer your question, you consult books, academic papers, newspaper articles, historical records, or anything else that could be helpful. The broad term for these things is sources. And, usually, once you've done the research, you present or summarize it in some way. In many cases, this means writing an essay or another type of scholarly paper, but it could also mean giving a presentation or even creating a YouTube video. Even if you have no interest in academia, research is an extremely useful skill to learn. When you know how to do research, it's much easier to improve your life and work more effectively. Instead of having to ask someone every time you have a question, research will help you solve problems yourself, and help others in turn. Note, research can also mean conducting surveys, performing experiments, or going on archaeological digs. While these activities are crucial for advancing human knowledge, I won't be discussing them here. If you want to do research, connect with me. My email and contact is given in the description box.